Welcome back, everyone. Right now we're going to talk about how to erase something in Preview. So if you have a JPEG or a PDF open in Preview and we want to erase something from the content of the file that you have open, we're going to talk about how to erase a little part of that content. So what you want to do is we have our How to Tech Guys banner open right here to use as our example. So what we want to do in Preview is go to the Show Markup Toolbar button. So we're going to show the toolbar here, and we have a few options here. So first option is we can use a shape here to cover up. Let's say I want to get rid of this guy's part right here. So what I want to do is, well, first I want to choose the color as white, okay? Because our background is white. So we want that to blend in the shape with the background. So we'll choose a square, which we can resize, and we'll make it like a rectangle here, and we'll just cover up the guys, click off of it, and now voila, it's disappeared, seemingly as though it has been erased. And when we save it, the JPEG, it'll look like it wasn't even ever there in the first place. Now that's one way we can do it. Let's back up. I'm going to press Command Z a few times. And now another way we can do this is by choosing the sketch tool right here. Now what this will allow me to do is, it's like as if I have a whiteout pen. So I want to choose the thickness right here, press this button right here, and we can choose the thickness of the sketch tool. I'm going to choose the biggest one right here. And if, let's say I want to just white out, the G here for instance, I'll click and hold and move this around, and you see now I am erasing the G here. I could do a little bit better job than that, but you get the point. And right there, now we've erased my G. I can fine-tune that a little bit better so I'm not hitting the U, but as I said, you get the point. So those are a couple ways you can erase something from your JPEG or PDF file in Preview.